few months ago, maybe 3 months, this land was empty, nothing. Now, alhamdulillah, in our way to Kafir Jalis, Jigsaw Village 2.0, we couldn't believe, we didn't realize that now this village is almost complete. In few months, inshallah, it will be ready. We will start to relocate the IDPs, families affected by the earthquake, into this village. MashaAllah, this is outstanding, a very successful project.
So today we're here at Jigsaw Village 2 in Kafir Jalis, Idlib in Syria. Finally, the 500 houses are all complete, as you can see. The masjid has been completed, and now we're just going to give you a quick walkthrough of one house. It's just a random house we've selected because every house has exactly the same design. So follow me and let's show you what we've done. So what have we done different from Jigsaw Village 1 and Jigsaw Village 2? So after taking feedback from their beneficiaries, one thing they mentioned was that they would prefer to have more space. So what we've done is we've combined two houses, but we've only given them a shared facility for their toilet and the kitchen, which means we can create an extra living room, bedroom for them, which is what they wanted, based on the feedback that we received previously. So as you can see, this is the first living room slash bedroom, can be used for either. This is the second living room and bedroom, you can see. This is the third living room bedroom that we've created by reducing the kitchen and bathroom into one. And here is the kitchen. Also this time we were able to create a separate shower room and a separate toilet room as well. So a massive thank you from the trustees and team at Jigsaw, and also the beneficiaries that you've helped to rehouse. Please continue to support the work that's taking place and help us to create a better world piece by piece.
شكرا جيكسو. شكرا جيكسو. شكرا جيكسو.